Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Judy here. If you're interested in fascinating discoveries in the world of science, you've come to the right place. And if you like the content that I share, please subscribe to this channel. It won't cost you anything, and your support means a lot. Okay, my friends, before we dive into the next topic, please allow me to thank the friends who bought me coffee from my website last week. Thank you so much for your kind support, my friends. Thank you. My friends, last week I talked about the disease gout and Charles II of England and bloodletting, right? So today I'm gonna talk about gout and a potential way to prevent the disease. You see, my friends, gout is a painful condition caused by the buildup of uric acid crystals in joints, leading to severe pain and inflammation. And this disease affects millions of people worldwide. Gout takes hold when there are high levels of uric acid in the blood, which then form sharp crystal needles in the joints. And then the body's immune system starts to attack those crystals, which leads to significant pain. Yes, there are some gout treatments, but current therapies for gout don't work for everyone, and some develop adverse reactions to synthetic uricase. So we'd rather find a new way to prevent the disease, right? It's true that gout is often blamed on overindulgence in alcohol or unhealthy eating. But, my friends, if you recall, I've talked about my maternal grandfather who drank a bottle of beer daily and eaten a lot of meat, but remained skinny before he passed away in 2022, right? Yeah, he never suffered from gout. And now some new studies suggest that genetics plays a much bigger role in this painful arthritic condition than previously thought. Yeah, gout is one of humanity's oldest diseases, but it's very rare in mammals other than primates because most animals retain the functional Uricase gene, but humans and other apes lost it millions of years ago. Some researchers believe that this wasn't bad at the time because increased levels of uric acid can also turn fruit sugar into fat, which is a survival advantage during food shortages. Yeah, you guessed it. I think my grandfather might have this Uricase gene. Maybe, right? Anyway, Uricase breaks down uric acid in the blood and thereby prevents the formation of crystals in the joints and kidneys. These crystals cause gout, kidney diseases, and other health problems. The good news is, in a study published in Scientific Reports, researchers used gene editing to bring back this Asian gene in the lab, which successfully lowered uric acid levels. And their findings suggest that the therapy could function safely in living systems, not just in isolated cells. and according to the researchers, by lowering uric acid, multiple diseases could be potentially prevented at once. Great news, right? I think so. What do you think, my friends? Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Okay, my friends, in case you don't know me yet, I'm Judy from London, a fan of Jack London. I'm a published writer who writes fiction and non-fiction novels and short stories. You're very welcome to visit my website judyfaylondon.com or Amazon to read my poems and my short stories. The last one, Mr. Rat, Candy the Dog, and so on, and my latest non-fiction book, Living with a Walking Dead, a roadmap for achieving your own success. I hope to see you there, and thank you so much for your kind support, and thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channels. Judy Faye London and Judy Plus. Judy Faye London is a channel that mainly talks about culture, economics, and dictators and various events and people in human history, while Judy Plus is a channel that talks about interesting discoveries in the world of science. And my friends, if you are interested in knowing the details about this topic, please check the related articles in the description.